Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Enjoying time again in nature with a Nikon D5200 and my 70-300 mm lens Sigma. After several days I'm using this lens, I can handle it now. More practice, it's getting easier to use it. So I think this lens is quite good and the result of the photos is quite sharp. But avoid to use 300 millimeters focal length because at this point the focus isn't really good. I found this, but I think it's beautiful. But my lens is too short actually, but it's still okay. I think for birds photography, maybe 600 millimeters or longer than it, it's better. So this is 300 millimeters focal length like this, the bird. So to get better photos or videos, I need to crop the photos like this. And my camera, Nikon D5200, it has 24 megapixel, so it's still okay to crop. I photograph other animals too in this place, not only birds like lizards, tree lizards, and also dragonfly. I share the photos at the end of this video.